Hello everybody and welcome back to Firefield Junction, and today we're going to be doing another review, and we're going to be having a look at the Class 20 by Hornby with TTS sound. I've had this model for a little while. I haven't had it for an incredibly long time, but even though it's a basic model, as you can see it's part of the railroad range, it's not bad. It's good value for the money, and plus it's got TTS sound, so that really does improve the quality. Again, saying that it's a railroad model, you can see there is not massive detail on it, but for me there is enough. Of course, if you weather all underneath, and obviously maybe add your own lights and add your own detail, you can make it a very good model. But as it is out of the box, it's not bad. It's really not that bad. Quite a basic box. Just have a look at the ends. If you can see, BR diesel class 20, number 20163, TTS sound code fitted. Minimum radius 438mm of 82nd radius, I think. As you can see, it's not the best packaging in the world. It is basic. It does the job, but it's not great. But of course, if this was a premium model, then it most likely would be in the higher quality style packaging that Hornby do now. But again, not tons else on the box, nothing else really that interesting, so let's get her open and have a look at her. So let's lift up this plastic window, and then there's another little bit of plastic sheathing there, and then just very gently lift her out. There you go. Just put her to one side. And get the packaging out of the way. There you are. Oops, that bit pressed in there. There we go. Get out of the way. Come on. There we are. Well, like I said, it's not too bad. As you can see, there isn't any working lights, but to us, you very rarely, if not at all, you don't really get lights on railroad models. But it could be easy to fit some though, from looking at it. The buffers aren't sprung; they are just giant moulded pieces of plastic, but they're there, and they don't look too bad. Got some windscreen wipers there, but they are just moulded to the windows. They're not actually separately fitted. But one of the nice things we have got is we have got a handrail going down both sides of the model. There's even another one in the front there. Again, you've got what's supposed to be the lights, but obviously they aren't. And then again, the buffers on the ends. The couplings are NEM, as you can see. So you've got your NEM socket there with the dovetail connection. So you can take these tension locks out if you want to, and fit them with your own. And with this model, that might be quite a good thing to do. So as you can see, they do stick out quite far from the model. They are too big in a sense. They do stick out quite far, but at least they are slimline tension lock couplings. They're not giant ones. Of course, if they were the giant ones, I probably wouldn't have bought this model. But in terms of driving, in terms of wheels driven, I believe it is just this bogie here. So this bogie's got the motor in it, but you can see the wires there. I'm pretty sure both bogies do pick up. And yeah, as you can see there, that wheel there, and that wheel there. She has got traction tyres, which is a bit of a shame. I don't really like traction tyres. They degrade and fly off, and yeah, they just break. They're not very good. But well, even though she has got them, in my opinion, they're not incredibly necessary, because there is quite a lot of weight to this model. She is quite heavy, despite not being the biggest diesel in the world. There is quite a lot of weight to her, which is good. Yeah, the roof, as you can see, is pretty basic. I don't know how much room there is inside the model, so I haven't opened her up at all, but maybe, if there is enough room inside, maybe you could try fitting a smoke generator. So maybe you can actually drill the holes here where the exhausts are. Try fitting a smoke generator maybe, so you can have smoke coming out, which would look quite cool. Yeah, the grill's quite basic. You can't actually see into it. It's just again, it's a moulded piece of the body, but It is there, it just doesn't look too bad. Got all the panels down the side, and the rail left there are obviously removable. I don't know how many Class 20s are still running, but I think there's still a few. Underframe detail. It's there, it's not brilliant, but it is there. You can see basically that all the springs, axle boxes. It's not that bad, it is there. Obviously the middle bit of the frame here is not incredibly impressive, not much to it. Again, the other bogie, not too bad. And the bogies themselves, they're not too bad. They don't drive a million miles below it like on models such as the HST or the railroad one anyway. Not too bad. They do look quite good. You can see there, DCC fitted. So obviously she has got TTS sound chip fitted to her, and it is good, even though it's budget sound. It is good. It is good sound. It's not too bad. Obviously, if you wanted to, you could take the sound chip out of this model and put in your own much better one, such as maybe an ESU one, so a Southwest Digital one, maybe a Lego Man Biffo sound chip, maybe. Again, like I said at the start, you can maybe, if you wanted to, weather the underframe here, add more detail, maybe put a driver in there, fit your own light, so you can make this model. You can make it fantastic, and make it better than the back one if you wanted to. I don't really know what else to say really. I think I've covered it all. Handrails there, they're painted. They are painted. They do look quite good. But again, they're not separately fitted. They are just moulded to the side of the body. Yeah, I think the next thing to do is put her on the track, give her a run, test all the sounds, and see what she's like. Okay, here we are at the layout. So let's just put her on. There we are, not too hard. And obviously, when you open the model, if you buy her new or buy her second hand, obviously one of the things you should get is the sound manual here. So you can see digital TTS sound, which stands for twin track sound, Class 20 sound decoder manual. Obviously, one of the things you'll get inside is a list of all the sounds just here. So what I'll do is I'll quickly run through them all. First, just select a number. There we are. So obviously number 1 is the engine start stop. So we'll skip that for now, and then I'll go for the rest of the sounds. So number 2 is horn high low. Number 3 is horn low high. Oh, wrong one. Number 4 is brake squeal. Okay. Number 5 and number 6 are notch down, and then number 7 is return to idle, and then we've got function 8, which is thrash. Obviously they're only really useful when the engine's running, so we'll skip those for now. I'll skip number 9 as well, so that's just cold start override, which again obviously you need the engine running. And then okay, number 10 is horn high 2 bursts. Number 11 is door slam. Number 12 is fan. Number 13 is horn long high. Number 14 is horn low 2 bursts. Number 15 is primer. Number 16 is slow flange squeal. Quite a long one. Number 17 is Spirax valve. Number 18 is horn short low. And then number 19 is horn short high. Number 20 is wagons buffering. Number 21 is wagons clanging. Number 22 is coupling 1. Number 23 is guard whistle. And number 24 is coupling 2. There you are. So now we can fire her up. And let's get her going around the layout. Just giving her a quick test just to make sure she still works. Right, let's get it going the right way this time. She's just coming into the station. Yeah. And we'll slowly bring her to a stop. There we are. Now, as for what they pull, I don't really have anything for it to pull. The only thing I really could have it pull was my rake of British Rail chocolate and cream Mark 1 coaches. So I'll quickly get those on, and I'll get her pulling a little rail tour around and out. So I'll be back in a minute, and I'll see you then. Okay, here we are. I've now got her hooked up to my rake of British Rail chocolate and cream Mark 1 coaches. I've got 5 of them, so it's going to be a pretty decent length train. So without further ado, let's get her pulling a little rail tour around the layout.